Good morning. Today, Wednesday 7th, 2024. These are the animals today. See the environment. This is the male. He has poor food on his face. Thank you, God. Glory be to God.